Hello, I'm Max. Now I just introduced to you our new lightings. This lighting is used very special transparency wire. You cannot see the wire in here. The lighting, it is used magnet lighting here. Yeah, this is a magnet lighting here. Also the connected, the power connect also is a magnet. Very convenient to installation and very convenient for maintenance. Yeah. Also, everybody can move your camera to here. Also, yeah, you can come to this way. Yeah, this is the glass suitcase. So usually the lighting is stick lighting beside here, but now we use the different lightings. We can put here, we can shut in the underside and put another lighting in the top. We can show in the middle. So lighting, hey, look, so nice. Yeah, very convenient. Huh? We have many different colors. We have a black, silver, black, white, and a gold colors. Yeah. And I also move here. We are. This is our very traditional glass bowl. Glass bowl here. But we use the transparency wire and put it in the middle. The one lighting here, so we can show. Also, I can take it here. Yeah. Yeah. You can see. I can take the lighting off. Take the lighting inside. Also, it's very easy. Then it's working.